Today we have a photo shooting on Divokosharka. I've got the chair with me and now I need to eat something because I'm just so hungry. And here's McDonald's right on this station. We met with Ira and now going to the place. Walking by stairs with the chair. Perfect. Content creators met. Yes. We are tired already. But we didn't do anything yet. For some time we discussed with Ira that we want to make something together, and finally this day came. Firstly we made a mood board and choose style, clothes and place. I'll leave the link in the description because it's just a mood board on Pinterest and maybe it's gonna be useful for somebody. We have some progress and it's so cool here. A little bit cold, but not that bad as I thought. Tea plus please. The best time ever. The place we were, it's Divokosharka. I just love this place. This is right in Prague, but it looks like we are somewhere in the wild and you can get here by tram or by bus. So really appreciate this place that it's somewhere that close. That's much better in a sweater. I don't think that we expected to spend all day shooting, but the process was very interesting and we just enjoyed the place, the sun, animals, and nature.